I'm trying to record video off my Android phone onto my PC, and I ran into a few issues, so I'm going to go through the issues and I'm going to solve the problems, and I hope this might be a help to somebody. So you take the cable that came with your phone, plug it into your phone like that, and then plug it into your PC. And when you plug it into your PC should pick it up, which for me is not picking it up. Okay. So then I noticed with that cable nothing was happening. So then you might be wondering, okay, my phone is broken, my PC is broken, but it's not. Okay. So then so that cable is damaged there, I noticed, right? So I said that's what the problem with that cable is. So we'll assume a damaged cable. So then I had a second USB to C cable, right? So I said I'd try this. So we plug this one in. This one is just charging the phone. Okay. So now nothing came up on the screen again. So I'm looking for the menu to come up on the screen, because if the menu doesn't come up on the screen, we can't record anything. Okay. So then I was wondering what was wrong with that. So I was searching around and I found another cable, USB to C. Right. So we plug this one in. And lo and behold, there we have the menu coming up on the phone that I want. So then in this menu here you have charge only, you have transfer the files, which you click on the transfer the files. Now when you click on the transfer the files, it will come up here in your PC, and you'll see it up here in your PC. It'll ask you what you want to do, and if I go in here I'll be able to see my phone. So there's my phone, my Realme 6, it's coming up there now. Internal hard drive storage, and if I wanted to go to my videos I would go there and go to my camera, and there all my videos are coming up. And then I can grab these and I can, whichever video I want, and I can copy it over onto my PC. So this cable was damaged, so we put that down to damage. Now this cable here, which is USB to C, will charge the phone, but it won't bring up the menu, and the cable I'm using here will bring up the menu. So what that tells me is that there's a difference in the cable. All cables are not equal. This cable will transfer data and also charge the phone, whereas this cable will only charge the phone. So this is what you have to watch out for when you're looking at the cables. If you don't have the original cable, it should work and it should bring up the files that you want. If the original cable has something wrong with it and you're replacing the cable, you have to make sure that the cable has that it's able to transfer data as well as charge the phone. So that's the reason I made this video, is just to help someone out. I didn't never realise this myself, with all the stuff I do with all these things, that there's a difference in the cables. So just make sure that you have a cable that will also transfer data and charge your phone, and then you should be okay. Alright, see you in the next one. Thank you.